Hey Excellians! To add your signature in Excel, go to the Insert tab, select Signature Line from the text group, choose Microsoft Office Signature Line, or add other signature services if you have. Then, input signer details like name, title, contact, etc., and click OK. After that, your signature line will be added. You can also go to File to Info and select Add a Digital Signature option from the Protect Workbook dropdown. Alternatively, you can directly sign your signature from Insert Shapes and choose Freeform Scribble Shape from the Lines category. If you already have a signature file, you can insert it as an image too. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.